today's episode of Did It Work? We've all had this problem where you're trying to take a shower and then before you know it, you've got cooling water like this. Okay, I don't know about you, but yeah, I think that's pretty gross. So let's see if we can fix that. Okay, so I bought this kit, right? You have two choices. Pour something down the drain to dissolve it or pull it out manually. We're going to go with pull it out manually. So this one comes with 6 of these, and it has like this nice big handle at the top. These are 25 inches long a piece, and you see how they have little teeth? This is 35 inches long, and when you push down on this handle right here, basically those little teeth come out, and then it can kind of grab it and pull it up. I guess this is supposed to be for cleaning. You can like extend it. I'll use it for other things. I don't know that I'll use it for the tub. Anyways, let's go see if we can unclog this drain. But I have some tools. Some place to put the dirty hair. This is something that I just used for cleaning, so I don't care. A pair of scissors, one of these, and of course gloves. Full disclaimer, this is going to be nasty because I know that there's a lot of hair in here because I can see it. Ooh, this thing is sharp. And y'all can see just 10 seconds of doing that, and do you see all that just came out? So basically, you just kind of want to push it down there, push and pull, right? Like try to slide it down near the ends, and then just pull up. I have these tools, all right? Because I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm going to cut it off of here too. And I'm just going to cut all this off because I want to be able to reuse this. All right? And then I can just, oh, this is so gross, y'all. Yuck. Do you see that? Oh, that's so gross. Let's go back in. So y'all really want to like shove it down there, right? I mean, it has this handle, but I'm not going to push it quite that far down because I'm afraid it'll never come back up. Do y'all see this? Like this drain is, oh, this is so disgusting. Y'all, this is a damn crime scene. Okay, this is the hair that came out. And y'all, oh, it's so gross. But look, you can see that the drain is clear now. Guys, now that it's cleared off, just literally I cut all the extra hair off. Just gonna rinse it off and show you. You see, like 98% of the teeth are still there. You could still use this like many, many, many more times. And as you can see, the water is running straight down. So does it work? Sure does. Okay, final thoughts. This, I mean, it's a great cleaning tool. I don't find it cleaning for the drain, but you know. And then this one is great for reaching things. I'll show you for a second. I have this cord down here that I'm constantly dropping down here. Oh, hello. New level unlocked. And even for reaching things up top. So still a cool tool, even if you don't use it for that. All the way around, for the money, would I buy this again? Yes, I would. When my children go to college or have their first place, I will get them this because instant fix, no plumber needed. Anyway, hope you found that helpful. Subscribe if you like simple videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.